Welcome to the world of Game Changers, where ideas transform into reality and ordinary people become extraordinary. This is the GameChanger Perspective Podcast, hosted by the one and only Starr III. In episode 6, titled Creating a Game Changer, I will delve into the heart of what it means to be a game changer. I will share my insights from my best-selling book, The GameChanger Perspective, and reveal the secrets behind the mindset that drives innovation and success. I, Starr III, am a renowned author and thought leader. I will take you on a journey through the minds of the world's most influential game changers. I will uncover their strategies, their struggles, and most importantly, their perspectives. So, are you ready to change your game? Tune in to episode 6 of the GameChanger Perspective Podcast. Discover the power of perspective and unlock your potential to create a lasting impact. The GameChanger Perspective Podcast, where ordinary becomes extraordinary. Don't miss out.